Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video reaction. Today we're reacting to Red Velvet Bulldozer. This is the eighth B-side or like 8th track on Chill Kill, I think. Don't hold me to it, I don't know, I don't remember. I'm really excited. So far all the B-sides have been actually so good. So let's jump right into it. Also, my computer is acting up a bit. It's really slow right now, and I don't know why. But let's just hope it doesn't do that for the entire video. Let's just start. Wow.
Look, once upon a time 정해진 것들이 규칙들을
Okay, Yeti. I love, yeah. What is happening? There's so much happening.
I'm your poet, I'm your pain. 시작하면 멈추는 법 따윈 없는 brain.
The glitch!
I'm a bulldozer, 거침없이 closer. 모든 걸 다 망가뜨릴 내 모습이 보여. I'm your
Oh my God.
poet, I'm your pain. 감당할 수 없다면 넌 그쯤하고 back. What can I break? What can I break? Yeah. What can I break? What can I break?
Oh, okay, I get it. Ooh, I like that. Okay. I love the... I'll talk about it later.
Sorry, you got in my way. I'm a bulldozer.
Okay. Yes. It's so catchy. Did you hear that? Wow. I love the ad-libs. The ad-libs are so good. Ooh. Oh, it's so long, this part. Is it ending? Wait! Okay, so while this loads, because it's not loading, I want to talk about how much I love that they're using like vocals for like the bass like melody or like synth or like whatever, you know, like the bass core of the song is like the dun dun the dun dun. It's like so, I don't know, and it's so good. It sounds so good. So here, I think it's back. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. I love that they use vocals for that. Let me just play what I mean. So it's like
Look, once upon a time
yes. And it continues. It's like baddie. Ooh. And the harmonies. Oh my god, this part, guys. This part really got me. I was so confused. It's like all of the sounds is happening. Like there's breathing, there's laughing, there's singing, there's harmonies, there's the dun 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 dun. Like there's so much happening. And I think that's my favorite part. Like I just love that. It's so like, I don't know, fun in a way. It's so chaotic and I love it. We love chaotic, right? Well, I do at least. I love chaos in songs at least. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. So But it was very short. That's really sad. I wish it had like a bridge, like something different to switch it up. Because it was like, besides this part, there wasn't like any surprising elements really. It was I still loved the song. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. But I just wish there was also like a bridge where I like switched it up a bit. But that's, I mean, Rodella always has that, so I can just listen to another song if I wanted to get that feeling. So it's okay. It's really nice that they also have a song like this where it doesn't have that, I guess. So it's not a bad thing. I don't know. That's just my thoughts, I guess. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. So let me know what you think about the song in the comments below, and be sure to check out my Patreon and my other and my other YouTube channel where I do singing covers. If you want to, of course. You don't have to do that, but if you want to. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm just repeating myself. Wow. Anyways, bye!